You've been told your whole life, stop cracking your knuckles. You'll get arthritis. But is that actually true? For decades, people believed that cracking your knuckles damages your joints. The pop sound? They thought it was your bones grinding together. But here's the truth. That sound? It's just gas bubbles collapsing inside your joint fluid. And guess what? No study has ever proven that knuckle cracking causes arthritis. In fact, one doctor cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years and found no difference. So yeah, it might annoy people, but it won't ruin your hands. Surprised? Subscribe to LifeLab for more myth-busting facts.